Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, select Xteam app and click on Discovery at the bottom right corner of it. Then tap on Font. Over here, select the best one for you, like Matthew, and click on Download. Then click on Apply and choose OK in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default one, you can access X Themes. Click on Themes next to Discovery and tap on those three lines at the top left corner. Then click on My Fonts, select Default and tap on Apply. Then click on OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!